Have you ever felt like when it comes to stress, that it feels like your body has a mind of its own? That when you try to relax, but you still feel very restless, your heart keeps pounding in your chest, or you have tensions and aches in the body, or you're lying in your bed and your body feels really tired, but your mind is still very active and therefore keeping you awake? Well, in today's video, I will discuss with you the topic of the vagus nerve and how you can use the breath to influence the vagus nerve and therefore calm down the nervous system and your body. Now, what is the vagus nerve? The vagus nerve is the longest cranial connection. It's the nervous system from your brain to the major important organs like your heart, your lungs, and your gut. It's also called the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for the rest and digest mode of your body. In contrary to the sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the fight or flight mode of your body. Now, as in prehistoric times, we needed this fight or flight mode pretty often. Like when there was a bear or a tiger coming at you, you had to act and you had to fight or flight. And even in the modern days, when there's a car coming at you, you still need this fight or flight mode. But the problem with the Western world is that a big part of the population, due to all the stressors, all the pressure and all the distractions, our bodies are in constant fight or flight mode or survival mode. And staying too long in this fight or flight mode can make us very, very sick. So the more important it is to be able to have control over our nervous system and calm down our bodies and our minds. And the vagus nerve has a vagal tone. And this vagal tone is like a muscle. You can train it. So how can we influence the vagus nerve? Well, the easiest way to remember it is like this. When you make your exhale longer than your inhale, then you're signaling to your nervous system to calm down, and your nervous system is then signaling to your brain that it's safe and there's nothing to worry about. Therefore, you're activating the rest and digest mode. What is also very important is nasal breathing. So try to breathe as much as possible in and out through your nose in daily life. While talking, it's very hard to breathe through my nose. I cannot breathe through my nose now all the time, because when you talk, it's a challenge to breathe through your nose. But in any other situation, just try to breathe through your nose as much as possible, except when there's a certain pranayama technique that asks to breathe through your mouth. So this is a very important thing. But what's also very important is that you breathe like gentle and deep. So with gentle and deep, I mean that you breathe slowly and with your diaphragm. So therefore you are stimulating the vagus nerve. With these techniques you're stimulating the vagus nerve. And by doing this on a daily regular basis and train this, your body becomes more relaxed in general. And when your body is more relaxed, there's also less stressful signals going into your brain, so even your thoughts get better and more positive, less anxious and less stressful. And there are a lot more benefits of influencing the vagus nerve or the parasympathetic nervous system, as your sleep can be improved, will be improved, your focus will be better, you will be calmer, your digestive system will work better because it starts resting and digesting, and therefore your immune system will be better. So it can have a very big influence in a lot of aspects of your life. So yes, this is the importance of the vagus nerve and how to use your breath to control your nervous system. So if you want to learn more about nervous system, breathwork techniques, or health or stress relief, then hit the like and subscribe button below and join the tribe. Namaste.